In the heart of a dark forest lived a terrifying creature, the deer monster. His glowing red eyes and twisted horns spread fear every night. The villagers locked their doors, children hid under blankets. No one dared to step outside. But one day, 4 brave friends decided to fight back. A little rabbit, a clever squirrel, a bright green parrot, and a kind bear cub. They entered the forest. Suddenly, the deer monster appeared. "Who dares enter my forest?" he roared. The battle began. The rabbit ran fast to distract him. The parrot circled around his head. The squirrel threw stones. The bear cub stood strong, protecting his friends. Then the parrot shouted, "His horns! They are his power!" With all his strength, the bear cub lifted a heavy log and struck the horns. Crack! The horns shattered. The monster screamed and slowly shrank into a normal deer, weak and harmless. Light returned to the forest. The villagers came out smiling. The friends stood proudly, heroes forever. Bravery, teamwork, and friendship can defeat even the darkest monsters.